Welcome, my name is Albert with Hurricane Fabric. I'm here to explain to you one of our products, Hurricane Fabric. First, I'm going to show you a sample. This is Hurricane Fabric. This is a polypropylene trampoline material that people use over their openings instead of aluminum, accordions, Bahamas, colonials, metal products as such. Now, the reason why we use this fabric is because, number one, it's very cost effective. We're talking about half the price of accordions, or half the price of our competitors. Now, on this application, we did this front door. Now, we actually drilled holes into the house, okay? These are female insert anchors that we attached. We drilled with a 7/16 bit Tapcon bit into the wall. We pre-drill a hole, and then we set an anchor with your trusty ratcheting drill. Okay, now after we set these anchors, we're actually going to take the clip that's already attached to the fabric with 8 small stainless steel screws, and we're going to hold up the fabric and set that flat-headed sidewalk bolt into the female insert anchor. With this polypropylene trampoline material, you can actually see through it. You can't see inside the house. You can see through it looking out. You don't feel like you're in a cave during a hurricane, okay? You can actually see through it. Another great thing about our product is the testing. Armorscreen is Miami-Dade code certified. The problem with Miami-Dade code is they do the missile impact test and they do the wind test. The problem is they do these tests separately. Hurricane Fabric actually pushes the envelope by taking these two tests and combining them. We actually test the wind load with the missile impact. The reason why we do this is because in a storm such as we're about to have, you actually have a flying object and you have all that wind behind it. So it's actually doubling up on the pressure load. The great thing about Hurricane Fabric is it actually folds up. You can put it in a duffel bag and throw it in your closet. There's no storage space needed, and it is very affordable. It's easy to install, and it is not dangerous to install. Storm panels are very dangerous to install, okay? More people get injured putting up storm panels than they actually do in a storm. We're going to look at a different application. Come with us. It deflects 97% of the wind and the rain. So for instance, it would bring down 130 mile per hour gusts only down to about 3 miles per hour. What we use, which is different than our competitor, is a military grade flex clip as opposed to the competitor's anchor, which is a grommet or the buckle and strap system. The problem with these anchors is that they're static. They do not get, they absorb all the blow. As soon as you drill a huge hole through this fabric, it's 50% weaker. Our military grade flex clip that we designed actually has 8 small stainless steel screws. You can go through the clip, through the fabric, into the other side of the clip. Now, the advantages that this has is the actual anchor has a flex to it. For instance, I've seen customers' cars run over this flex clip and it didn't even budge. Okay? Now, because of this technology, we can actually handle higher wind load, higher missile impact tests. If you take a brick and you throw it at a net or our product, it actually catches the object. It slows it down. Accordion shutters, storm panels, colonial panels, Lexan, they're all static, so they take the full force of that blow. It catches the object, decelerates it, so we're actually absorbing the blow. Now, another thing, our product is half the price of our competitors, which use the grommet and the buckle and strap system. We are half the price of accordion shutters.